There's Iro. And Annabelle Lee. There's Harley. Looking at shadows, huh, buddy? And Star. Hi, sweet Star. Hi, sweet Star. Smiley. And there's our new pup, Charlie girl. And there's Elsa. And there's Ace. The two twins that play together all day long. And there's Lhasa. And our Abby girl. That's our Abby girl. Hey, sweet babes. Yes, you're a good girl. You got water on your nose. And there's Barley. Hi, Barley. And there's Lhasa again. And our Tika girl. Hi, Teeks. There's Apollo. And there's Titus. Titus! Hey, Titus! Titus! He always ignores me when I'm videoing. Every time. There's Henna girl. Hi, Henna. And Maggie. Mag! Hi, sweet girl. Abby. Annabelle Lee. And there's Titus. Titus. There's our cubby. Handsome. You're such a good boy. Yes, you're such a good boy. There's Elsa. Elsa. I see you, Harley. I see you. Abby wants to play with you, I think. Yeah, Abby wants to play. And there's Mesa. And there's Sasha girl. And there's Edward. Hi, Ed. How's the Edward boy? Yes, you're so cute. There's Jetta girl. Iro. There's Iro. And Cooper. There's our buddy boy. Buddy. I see you over there, buddy. I see you wagging your tail. Cute guy. There's Daxton. Maximo. Just rolling around. Rolling around in the sun. There's Oliver. Oliver, come here. Come here, Oliver. I see you. I see you. Yes, that's a boy. Should we go up here, guys? Let's go up here. Come on. There's the puppy. There's Charlie. Hi, Coop. Cooper. Cooper dog. Hi, Coops. I know, Harley. I see you. Oh, there's Finn. Finnegan and Winnie playing. Oh my goodness, you crazies. There's Oliver. Oliver, oh, Oliver's drinking. And there's Star. Star Powers. Abby. Hattie girl. Hi, Hat. There's a Maggie. Do you see somebody in the parking lot? Yep, there's somebody there. There's somebody there, huh? Hi, cutie. Harley. Cooper. Hi, buddy. It's a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. And there's our Jet. Chili. Chili girl. Chili girl. Always wants a back scratch. Always wants the back scratch. Or the tummy scratch, huh? You sweet baby. Yes, you are. You're a sweet baby. We love our Chili girl. Just like our Abigail. Edward. Easy, you two. Is that Lily? Lily girl. Come here, Lily. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, Ab. I know, we love our Abigail. And there's Apollo, Iro, Finn. Finn just plays 24/7, don't you, buddy? Who's gonna play with you? I bet Winnie is. There she goes. All right. Barley. That's a boy. That's a handsome boy. Chili girl, chili girl. Chili girl, chili girl. You want me to scratch your tummy? I know you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. All right, guys. Elsa. Hi, girl. And Harley.